everybody, welcome to Boom City Breaks. This here is Friday, July the 6th. Tonight we are breaking Boombox Motherfuckers framed jerseys. This here is a one box break in which we did 16 slots. Pick your first team, get one team via random. We have already randomized teams, randomized customers. We then alphabetized all the customers. Person on top after the customer random also got the multi-slot. We've already got that entered as well. It was Dominic. Prior to break, we had our 5 boxes lined up. We rolled the dice. Got number 3 was our box. Sorry, number 3 was our box. So that is the one we're going to start with. Again, folks, I'm sure it's going to be upside freaking down because I never have any luck when it comes to that shit. I actually can't see whether it is or not, guys, so it'll be dark in there. Alright, y'all, here we go. First box of the new series. Boom! Well, that there is going to be a Brett Favre rookie jersey for the Atlanta Falcons, y'all. I actually like the pick in that sucker. He's like a super baby face, man. It's got the Rookie of the Year inscription on it as well. Who has Atlanta? Brother Craig. Well, I do believe that was a filler team, guys, or one of the random teams, which is, again, I tell you guys, sometimes the teams you think you might not necessarily want that sort of pull it off for you, though, guys. There you go, Mr. Brett Favre, Atlanta Falcons Rookie of the Year jerseys. Join us, Breakers.tv, YouTube, Twitch, Facebook, 7 nights a week. Congratulations, Brother Craig. Have a good one.